Am I audible now, guys? All right. Thank you for the acknowledgement. One more major topic is left out, and then we shall stop the journey of Core Java, because Core Java is so vast that we can discuss for months to go. But it's time to stop. Enough of Java for me to go ahead. There are some topics which may be directly in the Spring Boot I'll understand, and we will try to learn. And the Java will never end. During the journey of Spring also, we have to learn some of the concepts. Example, we have optional class in Java. Optional. What do you mean by that? In the Spring Data JPA part, whenever you retrieve the data from a table, it will not be giving you the object directly. It will wrap inside the optional and it will give you an optional object. So that time I will discuss about the optional. So like this, there are other topics also, which going forward, we will use also whatever we have learned here, and we will learn more also. But one more important topic, we shall discuss Stream API, and then IO sealed classes. There are some videos which will be uploaded in your course dashboard. Kindly complete it in your free time. So can we kickstart the journey here, guys? Everyone? Yes, no, maybe. Understand this. These are the things which very often we might use. Okay. I would like to go back. Maybe I'll open collection only. So many things are already there. I'll do one thing. I'll right click. I'll say class. Core Java is the prerequisite to understand this. Okay. And you have enough of 8 days of time to quickly revise whatever we have done before making it to next Friday, most probably 18th of October. As we have promised 7 days, we will give, since we are ending it today due to some unavoidable circumstances. 18th of October is what we are going to start the Spring Framework journey, and 21 and all we shall be continuing it. Okay. I'll say a launch for each method, which is a part of Stream API method. Okay. But enough of time, guys. I think more than that time should not be given. Already it is more than required, but given because of the request which you guys made. Okay. I would like to create a collection, guys. Collection of integer data. I'll say this is our list equals to new array list. Whenever you want to work with the data which is there in your collection without affecting the existing collection, the concept of Stream API comes into picture. Original collection, original data will not be affected, but you want to work on that. You want to change it. You want to add something. You want to do something with the data without affecting the existing data of your collection. We have a concept of Stream API. By creating a stream of the data separately, work on this, which you will eventually understand going forward in today's class. Guys, assume that there is some data here in our collection. Dot add. Assignment questions will be given, Rupan, and quiz has been added in your course dashboard. Okay. Some data I have, you assume, guys. Again, I'll add some data. Some random data, assume I have here. Some random numbers I'm adding, guys. Okay. Assume some random number I'm adding. Okay. Some data we have in our collection. All of you okay with it? Yes, no, maybe. Everyone? Any issue in the syntax which you see, guys? I'm printing it. Printing and iterating over the collection, are the same or different? Okay. Maybe I'm receiving somewhere from the I'm receiving a collection of data from the database or from my end user. I can iterate using the for loop. For each loop. In the for each loop, what is the syntax, guys? I have to specify the name of the collection. Then what is the type of data one by one. And I would like to print system.out.println I. I would like to run this. Are you all there here? I'm able to iterate. Yes, no, maybe. If you want, you can do something at the time of printing. I can say integer type of result equals to. I want to double the value of I. Whatever is the value is there, which will be doubled. Are you able to see this? If you want, you can check the existing collection after doing this. After I have doubled the value, my actual original collection, is it affected, guys? Is it remain same? Same. Guys, this for each loop, can you use it for the array concepts also? Can you use it for the array concepts? No problem. Can you use it? Yeah. Is it specific to collection or it can be used for any other parts also in Java? Any other thing also, right? Is it a internal part of collection, guys? Is it a internal part of collection? If you want to iterate over your collection, if you want to iterate over your collection and want to perform some of the operations without affecting or maybe without using the external loops, something which is a part of your collection. One of the Stream API method we have, which is for each method. I will say here list dot. Very often I'm going to use this, guys. For each. For each means whatever you have done in for each loop, same thing you can do here, but not using the external loop, using the internal method of collection. It is the external loop. Is it not the for each loop in Java, guys? I hope everyone is aware of for each loop. Same thing can be done here also by using the internal, one of the methods which is a part of your collection. I have told listed dot for each. And please understand, guys, dot, very often you may come across like this in your going forward of Spring classes. It is expecting you to give consumer type of action. Consumer is one of the predefined functional interface. That means in Java, few of the times you may have to define what you want to do by implementing some predefined functional interfaces. Example, guys, comparator, comparable. Have we done that? Yes, no, maybe. Have we not defined how we want to sort by giving the implementation for some of the interfaces? Yes. I want active energy from everyone in the class. Same way, those who know Java, those who have attended the Java, we have to sometimes define what we may have to do by implementing some of the predefined functional interfaces. Consumer interface we have here. We have to give the implementation for this. Guys, if there is an interface, is it compulsory that especially if there is an interface, every interface can you implement using the Lambda expression? Only consumer is a functional interface. If consumer is a functional interface, can I implement Lambda expression? Normal implements keyword also you can do. Right now, I will not do normal implements keyword because we have done so many times. Let's directly do two approaches: anonymous inner class and Lambda expression. Any problem to anyone? Yes. I will say here consumer. I'm going to type consumer type consumer equals to new consumer Is it the object or anonymous implementation, guys? Object or anonymous implementation? I would like to just import this, guys. The moment you import, add the unimplemented method I have added. Which method we have? Accept method we have inside this. Only one method, right? See, only one method is present. Yes, no, maybe. I would like to accept integer type of data or object type of data. If you want, you can specify only integer type of data. You can like this also you can write. Okay. I would like to go here and say integer type of n, and I can just print system.out.println n. I would like to just run this. Of course, I may have to define this implementation inside this for each. Inside this for each. Okay. Implementation I'm defining inside this for each. Are you all there? Yes, no, maybe. If you want, you can print this. What is the implementation you're defining? But before that, I would like to save this. I would like to run this application, guys. Understand this? Are you getting the same what you can do in the for each loop? But it is a lengthy approach. If you want to do same thing easily, what is the approach left out, guys? What is the approach left out? Can I go with the lambda? Everyone present in the class. Lambda operator, can you guys, if you don't know lambda, please watch and come to the class. If not, don't even attend the classes. This for each method also I'm going to use very extensively. Parameters required, lambda operator, body. If it is a single line body, any curly brackets are required. Parameters required. Parameters required. Body, I'm just printing, no, nothing apart from that. Body over. And whatever is there, I have defined inside this. If I run this, serving the purpose. Forget about this. Can I directly write this only here? This entire implementation only can I define inside this? Guys, if it is a single parameter, writing the type of data, is it required? If it is a single parameter? Not. If you know no lambda expression only, then if you just tell, if not, please read and come back to the classes. Guys, are you all there in the class? So can I define something like this directly inside the for each method, because it is expecting me to give the implementation of consumer functional interface, and directly I'm giving the implementation here. All good, dear friends. Like this in our spring classes, very often I'm going to implement so many functional interfaces in this style. Not just that, I'll show you the real use of this. Example, I have taken full day batch. Kindly understand this. Why I'm doing it for you guys, so that you can focus. I am going to use all the things which are there in the industry which are getting used. My Eclipse is opening. If you don't know these fundamental things, then you'll face the issue. What did I say, guys? Didn't I say many times without course you should not attend spring classes? I did say, right? My Eclipse ID is opening. It is one of the predefined interface for which we have to, there are some of the interfaces. By implementing the interfaces, we have to specify our requirement. Sushmita, like the way in the comparable comparator interface also we have done it. It's a predefined functional interface. Guys, any application I'll take, very often I've used the lambdas. You take whichever application you want. Example, I'll open any random data JP application. Understand this. Guys, didn't I use lambda here for each lambda? Didn't I use here? If you don't understand right now, during the Spring Boot journey, if I use this, is Core Java responsible or Spring Boot responsible? if you don't understand this? Who is the responsible? Core Java or Spring Boot? Spring Boot is easy. It's a core Java part. Are we not learning right now, guys? Here, see here. I'm using no for each. See. I hope you're able to understand. Not just that. For many things, guys. I'll go back here. Maybe Spring Security something too is there. Okay. Understand this. Guys, are you not able to see here? Implementations of lambdas, implementation of lambdas, implementation of lambdas. If I am implementing something using the lambda, that means which interface am I implementing? If, guys, if you can show some energy, please tell me. If you're done, if you cannot, world has gone somewhere. If you don't understand here, which concepts of Java you have to revise? Interfaces, functional interface, lambda expression. If you revise that, only then you can understand this. Are you there? So why I'm trying to show that is extensively such type of coding we are going to do in our Java class, in our Spring classes. And I've shown you the proof by opening the Spring Boot application files. Very often you'll see that. Every page you will see that me implementing the lambdas. Sometimes you may have to define what you want to do by implementing some of the predefined functional interfaces. And the best way to implement the functional interface is lambda expressions. Is that making sense to everyone? All of you present in the class? Guys, so whenever for each is expecting me to give, what you have to do by implementing the functional interface, which is the functional interface, consumer functional interface. So only one parameter required, right? Only one I will write here. Need not to specify the type of the data. From Java 8, can we use also collection name for it? Yeah, you can use that, the lib. That is also used for printing. I will talk about that also going forward. I will say system.out.println n. I would like to go back here and I would like to run this. It's the best way to implement lambda expressions. So whenever you want to use the internal loop in order to iterate over the data internal function without using the external loop, what is the method we have? For each method. And how do we define the body of for each method? By implementing the consumer interface using the lambda expression. Excuse me, guys. Sorry for that. Are you able to see this? Shushmita, you need not to know that. I'll say dot for. Are you not getting that? What is the implementation we have to give? Yes, no, maybe. So you need not to say that. Okay. This is one of the easier way to implement the function. So guys, in my future classes, if there is a collection of data, if I want to iterate over this, if I have an option of using the for each method, iterator method, or the for each external loop, if I use for each method and write code like this, will there be any concern? Will you guys accept me? Because I have opened and shown you my Spring classes code, my Spring Boot code. Any problem to anyone if I do so? Can I use it, guys? And I want response from everyone, partial response and all. Guys, I can do training for 2 days also. I have done for big companies for 4 days also. If your response, that much training quality, you will be getting it. That much content, you will be getting it. The more you say our minds are taking that much content. I can deliver entire Spring for 8 days also, 8 months also. There is a Java batch. If you have seen the handwritten notes of me, which I have given you from my LinkedIn reference, one of the students have written 2 years back. I have done Java for 6 months. 6 months of Java has been done. Are you able to understand that? But right now it is more focused on Spring Boot and microservices. I'm ending Java here itself because already it is 2 months of Java is what I have promised, but it's more than 2.5 months. It's time to stop and we start focusing on the Spring classes because that is the end goal of every one of you. Yeah. Can you go with multiple, what is that statement? Yes, you can go with, there is no problem. There is no problem in that King Lantern. There is no problem. If multiple body is there, then you have to write in the lambda expression curly brackets as you already know about it. Okay. Inside this method, you can write 200 lines. There is no problem in that. So now can we discuss more on this, guys? Everyone? I'll take this. I'll go back to my collection. I will create launch stream. Understand this very, very carefully to avoid the conflict in the Spring Boot classes. Launch stream. People say, no, where everything is used in the Spring Boot is application development. Where which concept will be used is what we are going to see. Sometimes, sir, where in actually string is used, what is the use of variables? What is the use of this collection in the real applications? Is the doubt from the fresher. That you will see in the Spring classes because Spring Boot is the one which is used to develop the applications. Everything you have to understand by developing the applications. I would like to go here. Normally. Guys, now the requirement is I want to work with this collection of data without affecting the existing collection. This data should not be affected. I want to work with it. I want to work with it. What concept comes into picture? Stream API concept comes into picture. You have to create stream of data and you can work with it. Example, the requirement here is, I want to sort this data. What I'm going to do here is, I will add maybe 72 here. 72 here. Here I will make it 12. Here I'll make it maybe 14. I'll do one thing here. I'll go right now. I'll make it 14. Okay. Guys, this is the data right now. Is it in the sorted order? Is it in the sorted order? No. I'll do one thing, guys. If I say collections dot sort, I will say here sort the list. After sorting, if I say system dot out dot println list, please see here. It is giving you sorted order collection. That means, is it sorting the existing original collection? That means existing original collection got affected here. If you are focusing with me, I want to sort without affecting this original collection. I want sorting should happen, but my existing original collection should not be affected. What to do? Create a stream of this collection. I will say here list dot stream. Create a stream of this. One stream of a new collection of data will be created. One stream of data is created here. I will go here and say one stream of integer is created. Integer is created. I will say here stream data 1. Now what I'm going to do here is I will say here stream data 1 dot. I will say here data 1 dot sorted. What is the return type, guys? Return type is stream. I'm going to go here and create one more stream here. I'm going to get one more stream because the return type is stream. I'll say stream data 2, or maybe I'll say here sorted stream. Whatever the name of the stream you can give sorted stream. It's up to you. And now, guys, I will say here sorted stream dot for each. And of course, for each means you know very well. I'll say number in any variable you can give. I have given n there. I'm printing in whatever is there inside this collection. Are you all there here? Guys, please kindly understand. What is that I'm getting here? Is it not sorted? Is it not sorted? It is sorted. I'll go back and print my original collection list. I'll go back and print my original collection list here. Is my original collection affected? Is it not remain as it is? Now, guys, if you want to work with a collection, something you want to do, but without affecting that original collection, can I just create a stream of that collection and do whatever operations I want? Yes, no, maybe. Uh, if I would have directly sorted, the question would have been, why can't we use this sort method? That is different. This is different here. One more point. Once stream is consumed, you cannot reuse that stream. Once stream is consumed, you cannot reuse that stream. What do you mean by that? That means this stream you have already applied for it. I cannot take that stream once again and do something else. Dot, maybe I'll say map for an example. Map. I cannot do this because this is already consumed. It is only for this single use. What I'll do is I will receive map means function is the predefined interface we have to implement. I will say here n into 2. I want to double the value of n. See, guys. Guys, I'm doing this. Of course, I have to do here. I have to do this inside this. My bad. Guys, I'll go back here. I've told map.to, but if you try to see here, whatever map it will give you, you cannot collect that back. I will say here, collect this back again. Maybe again, I'll say stream of integer, stream of integer. I will say stream data 2. Okay, stream data 2. This is already I have consumed. Sorted stream I have used for each. Or maybe I'll do one thing here. I'll take this stream. I'll take this stream. I will use this. I will say dot map. Guys, so many methods are there. Only one or two I'm discussing here just to give you the context of Stream API. It is expecting me to give the implementation for one of the predefined interface. What is the name of the predefined interface? It is function predefined interface. Okay. Function predefined interface. I would like to go back here and say, I will receive one value. Only one parameter value is there inside this function. If you want, you can just check like this. Function type f equals to new function. Okay. There is only single method available inside this function, guys. And that implementation is what you have to do it. Okay. Maybe it is already implemented. So lambda expression or normal traditional approach you can go with. I would like to go with lambda expression. I would like to say here n, and maybe I want to what it will receive the value of collection one by one inside this variable. I want to double this. I will say n into 2. I'm doubling the value of this. Okay, now? And after which, again, I'll get back and store that inside my stream. I'll say here stream data 2. I would like to go and create this stream data 2, one local variable. Okay, now? I would like to say here maybe integer type of data. Now, I would like to take this stream. I would like to take this stream and apply dot for each. And I would like to say this n system.out.println. Of course, I may have to print this. Some lag is going on. Any problem from my side, guys? All of you are able to hear me out? Great. I would like to run this here. Guys, are you not getting one exception here? Illegal state exception. Stream has already been operated upon. That means this stream data I have already used. I have already used. Same stream data I'm applying for one more operation. Is it allowed? That means whatever I have said, one stream is consumed. Can you reconsume the stream once again? Not. Are you understanding what is the meaning of stream? Once it is used, cannot be reconsumed. See, on the stream of this, the moment you have told create a stream of my collection, it gave you one stream. To that stream, how many operations we can perform at a time? Only one operation. Yes, no, maybe everyone. If there is a need example, guys, it will give you, it is printing, right? Before I print, I'll do one thing. This I'll sort it out for now. Maybe I have got sorted stream. It's great. By sorting it, I got one sorted stream. And to this stream, only one operations you can perform. To that stream, I have performed one operation. It gave me sorted stream, which I have collected here. On this new stream, did I perform any operation, guys? On this new stream, did I perform any operation? Sorted stream? No. I will take this. I'll say dot map. I'll say here dot map. If you want to process your stream, you can use this. Function is the interface you have to implement. I will say, and maybe I want to double the existing value of my sorted stream. I want to double the whatever operation you want, you can perform. Doubling is one of the options. That's it. I'll say into 2. I want to double the existing value of this. It will give you one more stream, which I will collect it back. I will say here, maybe processed stream or whatever. Maybe I'll say stream data 2. Streamed, whatever the name of the variable, guys, is 2. Okay. Now I will create a reference of this. A new stream is created. Now to this new stream, I will apply for each. To this new stream, I'll apply the for each. Now, guys, if I just run this application, all of you kindly see here, I'm getting the double value of sorted stream. If you sort, it will be 5, 12, right? Now 14, 18, and 72. But I am doubling the sorted stream by implementing the map here. So is it like, are you working on same stream or new streams? New streams. For the stream data 1, I have already consumed here. For the sorted stream, I have consumed here. And for this stream data 2, I'm consuming here. So is it like you're performing multiple operations on a same stream or separate stream? Separate streams. Is it getting clear? That means if we want to do multiple operations, does we need to create a streams of multiple times? Yes. One operations at a time to a stream. But anyway, whenever you perform, Hari Crucial, listen this. I have performed some operations, right, on this stream. This operation will give me a new stream. On this stream, again, I can perform one more operation. It will give me a new stream. To that stream, I can perform one more operation. Like this, I can keep on going by performing multiple operations. Yes, no, maybe. All of you present in the class. Like you have reminded, it's like a chain. Guys, method chaining earlier also I have done in my core Java classes. I would like to do here also. What do you mean by that? If you ask me, I can do like this. I'll say here list dot stream. In our future classes, I'm going to do something like this very often. Stream. Okay. Dot I will say. Sorted. Dot I will say. Maybe map. I want to double it. I will say here. I will receive one value of number. Into that number, what I'm going to do is n into 2. Okay. Dot I will say for each. And I will finally print the value of n. Whatever the integer value is there, I would like to print here. Like this also I can do. Method chaining. And this is something which I am going to do very often in my future classes. Method chaining is good, a concise way of writing the code. Guys, the moment you have told stream, A new stream got created. To that stream, you're performing one operation. If you say sorted, will not sorted give you a new stream, guys? Will it not give a new stream? Yes. On that stream, again, you're telling map. Will it not give you a new stream? Yes. On that stream, you're applying this. So is it like consuming same string multiple times? No. You say stream. Is my stream method not giving me a new stream, guys? Yes or no? If I say sorted, is sorted method not giving you a new stream? It is giving you. Map method, is it not giving you a new stream? It is giving you. So same thing I'm doing here. It will give you a stream. On that stream, I'm applying this operation. On that stream, I'm going to apply map. On that stream, I'm going to apply this. If you don't know, if you have a phobia of coding, for them to make it simple. And if you don't understand this, then the red color button will come into picture. Guys, there is a string type of data. No problem, no. I will say here n dot. I want to convert to the lowercase. The return type is string, right? To process the data, one of the method is map, Sri Hari Krishna. The requirement was, I want to double the existing value of my collection, my stream. Some methods are there to implement. I am using map, that's it. To the lowercase, the return type is what, guys? String. Maybe I want to now convert to the uppercase. I will say convert to the uppercase. Maybe I want to do something with that existing data. I'm just checking. Or maybe I'll do one thing where the return type is string. I want to concatenate. I'll concatenate alien with Java. Okay. Alien with Java is what I'll concatenate. Java. I will say a dot. Maybe I want to know the length of the string. Are you all there, guys? Everyone in the class? And this is a type of length. Any issues, please do let me know. With the string also, can I do the method chaining if the return type is same? Yes, no, maybe. I can do it. And this I have shown you earlier also. So same concept I'm implementing here. Because the return type of this method is also same. The return type of this method is also same. The return type of map is also same. So it will give you one stream. To that stream, I'm sorting. To that stream, I'm writing map. To that, I'm writing for each. No, I'm not comfortable with this. It is scary. I know what to learn more. My mind will not take. I have a problem of focus in my life. No problem. What is the big deal in that? Go with this approach. Right? This level of coding. This and this. Any difference, guys? This or this. Any difference? The purpose is same, right? The operations are same. It's up to you which style you are comfortable. All of you guys. One line of code or this line of code. Developers' individual choice. I go with this approach. No, I'm not comfortable. I'm new to the world of Java. No problem. Who is stopping you? Go with this approach. Are you all there with me? Yes, no, maybe. So how many of you are comfortable with approach number 1 or how many of you are comfortable with the approach number 2? For how many this is more easy or how many of you like, I want readability. I want to go with this. Both of them. Are you all getting it, guys? Yes, no, maybe. The method chaining. So stream API means, have you got picture, guys? More as and when we use practically, we'll see to it. But for now, is it making sense? Why? What is the purpose or how it works? A Pramod, map is just one of the method. It is like if you want to process the data, if you want to work with that, maybe you want to do something. If you want to transform the data, maybe I want to convert, I want to double it. I want to add something to my existing collection. I want to transform this. Write that logic here inside the map. If it is sorted, in the sorted, are you giving something here? No, right? You're not giving you something. That means you're not implementing, just telling sorted, it will sort. But map means to that stream, if you want to transform. You want to double it, you want to divide by 2, you want to add one number, you want to do something with the data, do it inside the map. That's it. I want to double it, so I have written it. Maybe I want to check whether it is starting with, if it is a string type of data, it is starting with a or not. If not, I know want to process. If you want to do something like this, you can do like that. Okay, I know guys, my screen is not visible because there was a technical glitch. Now, what if I want to? No, filter is different. Filter is not exactly same. You can use that for the filtration purpose. What is the question? Next question. What if I want to perform two different transformation on the same collection at once? Not possible. You have to create a stream. Then to the stream, you have to do that. At a time, how many times you can consume the stream, guys? Only once. You cannot reuse that stream. Making sense? Yes, no, maybe. All of you present in the class. Filtration is different and this is different. Okay, now? There are many methods are there, guys. This is not the only methods we have there. Even if you say map, are you not getting at least 20 methods? So what kind of operations to modify the original collection we achieve exactly related to the business? Many kinds of operations. This is also one of the business logic only. Maybe sometimes you want to double the value of your collection and give it to client. You want to perform some calculation and give it to that you can do it inside this. This is also business logic. Right collection. I mean the Hari Krishna. Okay now. Yeah. Guys, multiple operations can be performed, guys. This is just few of the examples. I'll take maybe if you want some more examples. If you want, what should I do? Some like anything you can do. Example, guys. Let me create one collection here. Okay, one more collection I will take. Okay, one more collection I will take. Maybe the collection this time is not this. I would like to go with this string type of collection. I would like to add some string type of data. I'll say here alien. I will say here Java. I will say here Spring Boot or maybe Telescope. Some string type of data we have. All of you. I'll say here list to two. This is list to two. String type of data we have. I want to, okay. List to two is what I have to do here. List to two, list to two, list to two. Okay, great. Maybe I want to do something. I want to create a collection of, I want to create a collection of this. Maybe I want to create, this is a list type of data, right? This is a list. What is the type of this collection, guys, right now you have? What is the type of this collection? String, but which collection family it is? Which the family of collection? Set, queue or list? Set, queue or list? I want to convert it to set. I want to create a set of the same collection, but existing collection should not be affected. Set of same collection, existing collection should not be affected. I'll say list dot stream. I got one stream got created. If you want, you can collect back. And I will say a dot. See here, we have collect. Collector is what it is expecting me to give. I will say here, collectors. Collectors dot. Many methods are there. Many methods are there. I'll say to set. Collector, not collection. Collectors dot to set. Return type is set. To set. Convert that to the set is what I have told here. Okay. And I'll go back here and say set. And let me just see what type of set it will create. Local variable I have told. Is it not giving you the family of set now? Yes, no, maybe. All of you. So guys, is my original collection got affected? Is my original collection got affected? Any problem to anyone here? Yes, no, maybe. You can do anything. This is one of the example. Maybe I'll go back here and say list to dot stream. It will give you one stream, guys. If you want, every time you can collect it. I'm just achieving the method chaining here. I hope this method chaining is not creating any problem to you. If you want, you can collect back as a new stream and do it. All that is same, right? I will sort it. I will sort it, guys. Already my collection is right now sorted only. Uh, it is already sorted, guys. I'll do one thing. Telescope I will add it at the last. Okay. I want to sort it. I'll told sort it. Dot, I'll say here, collect. Again, I've told collect only. See very carefully, guys. I will say collectors. I'll say collectors. Dot. To set we have seen. To map also there. To list is also there. Are you able to see this? I'll say to list maybe. Now, guys, what type of collection will be created, guys? List only. But inside this list, what type of data will be there? Sorted list. A collection of sorted strings. Are you all able to understand, my dear friends? Everyone in the class? Can we do this with the stream? Pramod, yeah, we are doing that, no? No. Pramod, no. Guys, stream is there only inside the collection. No. Yeah, that's what we are doing here. No, Dalip. It was list. I'm creating a new string, a new collection of set, new collection of list. But my existing list, is it affected, guys? Means Pramod, first of all, to work with stream, Pramod and others in the class, to work with stream, to perform this operation, first we need to have a stream. Which method will give you a stream? Which method will create you a stream, Pramod? What is the name of the method which will give you create a stream of data? Pramod and others, those who are lacking the little fundamentals, can you please answer? Name of the method which is creating a stream for us? Stream. This method should be there to create a string, right? Example, I have a string here. I have a string. I will say here end dot stream. Do we have any stream method here, Pramod? Do you have any stream method? So can I apply stream API for everything or only for the collection? Now understood what do you mean by that? Are you getting the theme of stream API, guys? Everyone present in the class? Yes, no, maybe. Anyone and everyone? Now, like this, whenever a stream is getting created, we have tens of methods. Tens and tens of methods. If I just create here, list to dot stream. One stream got created. Dot stream. One new stream got created. Yes, Jav. Only collections can handle, no. Jav and Pramod, both your question is only if you want to work. The concept of streams comes into picture only if you have a collection. It's not about can handle. Can you create a stream with normal anything? No, the method is only not there. No. The option of creating a stream is there only when you have a collection of data. Yes, no. Guys, just because some words are matching, you cannot create question for everything. All of you are there. If there is a collection, only then you have this method called a stream. You can create a stream of the data. Stream method is there only for the collection. And those who are asking the question, I hope they have attended my day 1 till day last class. You don't have Java of someone else in your mind. I don't accept that. Dot. Guys, are you able to see so many methods when you have a stream? Do we need to master every method? Not needed. Even if you have a theme of how the Stream API is working, as and when required, particular method use case, you can understand that time only. But the theme is what you want to understand. I would like to give one conclusion. I want all of your acknowledgement. Guys, stream, if you want to create a stream of data, we must invoke stream method. Yes or no? Question number 1 to everyone. All of you, I want answer. Is this stream method available for string array or something else? Like the way people are asking and creating shoes in my mind. First of all, collection. If there is a collection of data, whenever I want to perform some operations to the collection of data without affecting my existing collection by creating a stream of data separately, I can go with Stream API. Once stream is consumed, you cannot reuse that string in the stream. If you do so, it will lead to an exception at the runtime. Yep. So many methods are there. Every method you need not know, but however, as and when there is a need arises, you can work on this particular methods. But theme, the ecosystem on which Stream API is working on, any ambiguity there, I would like to repeat to anyone. Any ambiguity, guys? Whatever code we have inside these 4 lines, same code is present inside line number 33. Those who know Java so far, any issues to them? Those who are new to the Java, of course, this is rocket science code for you. You may have to pay some extra fees because I'm showing you stars in the live class without you having to visit NASA or ISRO. So either watch entire Java and then you will be in a position to understand this. Both of them are same or different, guys? But which is the most optimized course? Approach number 1 or approach number 2? Which is the most optimized code? Approach number 2. It's the most optimized code. Making sense? But no, I feel comfortable like this. Step by step, I want readability. If you want readability, definitely the method chaining will not give you readability. If you have understood concepts so well, if you have a good coding experience, then you will go with this. If you're new to the world of coding, then definitely it is the approach number 1. All of you? Yeah? Now, guys, let me show you some of the places where I've done something like this. Okay. These 2 things anyway, I will share with you. One more important point. This ends our journey of learning Core Java in the live classes. Optional, I'll talk directly in the spring. Sealed, I'll upload a video of Naveen sir. Like this, some videos will be uploaded. Some concepts I'll talk in my spring classes and we will see to that Java. If not, only Java also we can just go and scratch the Java. 6 months I can discuss as I've repeated this for at least 10 times now. Okay. So it's time to start getting into, are you guys, what do you say? The concept of Spring Framework, and this ends the live classes Core Java. But right now, till today, since today is the last day of Java classes, I have one question to everyone. From day 1 of Java, where we have started from the journey of transistors, we have reached till this level. Can I say, can I go to my Spring journey by keeping in mind that people who are watching me have understood Java something from outside the scope of Tarisko or live classes? Like, are you in a position to understand the concepts if someone else also teaches? Like, have you understood Java for only specific concepts or in general in a versatile way? What is your use case in that? Have you understood Java specific or in general? In general is what I'm expecting all of you. If you say no, also you can tell to me in the class. Okay. That means coding means, have you got one idea, guys? especially the one who are new to the world of coding. I know there were 50% of this class who are new to the world of coding and Java. Now you understand Java in a way that I can use the Java for my application development using the Spring framework. Spring framework is not a programming language. You're not going to learn a new syntax right now. In the Spring framework, whatever new syntax if I teach that will be related to Java concept, I may have to teach that time itself, which I will do it. If there is any core Java concept which I have not taught, and new syntax if I'm using in the Spring framework, I will teach that concept first. Spring framework is not a programming language. So are we going to learn 99% of our Spring journey? Are we going to learn a new syntax, or we are going to use whatever we have learned by developing the application? We are going to use it. Guys, are we not doing here, guys? Dot authentic, dot any, dot permit, dot. Method chaining concept here. Extensively, am I not using it? Not just this, any application I can take, I have used that to the so many cases I have used this. Okay. So much of code I have written by following this approach. Making sense? Many applications are there where such type of coding is what I have done it. Okay. Guys, are you not able to see this? Method chaining. Same thing can be written in extra lines. Whatever I'm doing here, in single line it can be. Just for the readability, I've got into the multiple lines, can be written in 10 lines. This 5-10 lines of code in single line. But if you have understood right now the method chaining concept with string and stream API which I've used, by chance, if you don't know that, will you be in a position to understand this? It's no way. You cannot understand this style of coding. If you want to understand, is it a new syntax directly am I introducing in my Spring classes, or such syntax we have already discussed in our core Java? We have already discussed. So that reminder is what I'm trying to give. Is that fine, everyone? Yeah. Fine. So most of the times, at least 5 to 6 times, some of the concepts I have opened my Spring Boot applications and I have shown you that this concept, this is how I'm using. Why I have shown, why I have highlighted, so that you are really serious about core Java part. Spring Boot, we are not learning any new syntax. It's not a language. New language we are not learning. Nothing to learn. It's all about using Java, which we have already learned. And if we are facing difficulty in using Java, which we have already learned, that means people say, no, Spring Boot is a difficult framework or something. Is that the case? No. Nothing new syntax is not at all using. You are using the Java, which you have already learned. How can that be difficult? It will be difficult in one case if you don't know core Java properly. Is it making sense? So this ends the journey of Java, guys. Some of the concepts which I'll discuss going forward also. And like this, so many concepts, maybe I'll try to give Munazza, okay, going forward. Right now, I cannot just randomly create some of the key points, okay? So this ends the journey of Java, guys. We shall again start the journey of Spring Boot on 18th of October, Friday's class. Okay. And what are the concepts you have to revise thoroughly? OOPS concepts, interfaces, polymorphism, abstraction, association, collection, exception handling, for each method, lambda expression. These concepts you have to revise. JDBC, Hibernate you have to complete, and then come to the class of 18th of October. Is that fine to everyone? IO concepts also I'm going to upload. Some videos of Java also I'm going to upload. But that videos, you can watch it in 1 month of time, not in hurry. In your 1 month of time, slowly, whenever you get the time, the remaining videos of Java you can watch. But whatever Java we have already discussed, that Java, you should be knowing it before making it to our Spring classes going forward. Is that fine, everyone? So Spring is a new programming language, or it is usage of one of the language. It is one of the use. So are we using Java there, or are we learning a new Java there in the Spring framework? New Java are we learning, or using the existing Java? Using the existing Java. It's rare using the Java which you have learned. Okay. So if you already know Java, anything's there? No. What are we learning then in the Spring framework? How to talk to Spring framework and get our things done. What happens is, if you watch the JDBC in Hibernate and then same database operation, if you do in data JPA, you'll understand how your life is easy. Spring framework is there to make your life easy. Without Spring framework, you can develop the application. But if you use Spring framework, the burden of developer will be drastically reduced by 50%. Half of your work Spring will do. Okay. So that's why people are behind the Spring Boot framework, Spring. Okay. Yes, Aditya. That's all, guys. Thank you so much for being with me in today's class. We'll meet again on Friday, 18th of October, and start the journey of Spring Framework. Okay. Over 100 times I have told to revise the core Java. Please do a favor to me to revise the core Java and make it to 18th of October classes. Guys, have we discussed new date and time API? Did I discuss local time, local date, and okay. Some banking is what Akash is telling to your colleagues. If any doubt is there next week, how to reach out to you? Only for 1 week, I'll not be there, Daniel. You can reach out through the Discord. Our team will reply to you. And apart from that, even in the Spring classes, you can ask me core Java questions. Daniel, it's not like for Spring classes, Java questions should not be asked. So again, for the Spring Boot and microservices, I will be there with you for minimum of 3 months every day. Okay. Minimum of 3 months I'll there for you for every day. So we can have a discussion. Even if you have doubts on Java. Okay. This is not the end of course. Hmm. 18th of October, Friday. 1 week of gap to revise core Java. Guys, there are 20 questions which I'll be uploading as an assignment. It is not compulsory to complete, but if you are serious about Spring Boot, then at least complete 70% of that core Java questions. If you could able to write a code, they are basic to intermediate to difficulty. If 75% of the questions you are able to solve about this assignment, that means it is a self-acknowledgement for you guys that you have understood Java and Spring Boot will not be a problem for you. It will be an acknowledgement, self-acknowledgement. Okay. It will be uploaded today in your course dashboard, today or tomorrow. If today my team is busy, tomorrow it will be there as a section name is itself assignment. Let me check if they have already uploaded. If not, today's team is busy. Tomorrow, if they have already uploaded, well and good. If they have not, guys, it is already uploaded. You can see, guys. Are you able to see this? Assignment is there. Are you able to see this assignment? Out of this 20 questions, 75% of the questions, if you could able to solve, then you are eligible to understand Spring Boot without any problem. Okay. But if you don't solve, that means it is a self-explanation that uh, you are slowly losing the interest in coding, and maybe after 1 month of spring classes, you'll stop attending the live classes. Though it will be easy, but you will not feel to code. But if you are serious, please do write 75% of this minimum. Core Java only. You need not to upload. If you want, you can mail also. If you want our team to check your assignment, you can mail at support@telesco.com. Suppose it is for the self-understanding, guys, for self-acknowledgement of core Java. But if you want our team to check your answers and give you the reply, then mail that to support@telesco.com. Hibernate is also one of the framework to simplify DAO layer. Okay. That videos are also there in your course dashboard. Guys, you can see at the end, JDBC videos are there and Hibernate videos are also there. Important key points I will only give, Rupan. Yes, SQL knowledge is required before JDBC. So first watch SQL, at least 50% of the SQL. SQL videos are there. 31 videos are there. 30 videos are there totally. Out of 30, at least 20 videos also, if you watch, it will give you enough of idea to before you get into this. Okay. Please do watch SQL also. Watch it in 1.5x speed, guys. You need not watch in same speed and practice. At least watch it in 1.5x speed. If you watch any video, right, there is an option for you to go here. 1x speed is there, no? Take this. 2x speed is option is there. Okay. 2x as not 2x, it will be very fast. 1.5x speed is sufficient to watch all my videos. Okay. Right now, say maybe I have a table student wherein I have some records, some columns I want to get everything which is there. Now I can say select star from the table name. You'll be able to. What is that, Suresh? Where's the data by ordering? Names maybe first. There is no interview question, TR, according to me, because interview question differs with experience, with the role you're applying for the project need. It is not same for everyone. For everyone, people will not ask every question. It depends on the experience and what is the requirement of the company. No one can give. But ChatGPT or AI tools are giving you that I have 2 years of experience. I'm applying so and so company. Suggest me interview questions. They are giving you precise questions. Can you share the LinkedIn link given action in your handwritten notes? I missed the link shared earlier. I have to also scroll my LinkedIn post, Surinder, because I don't have a link handy with me. I have to again scroll. Better you if you can also scroll that. In my own LinkedIn profile, somewhere it is there. I'm getting error. Hibernate means this URL is correct. This URL. Somewhere there is a problem in the code. Not just exactly this URL. It could be something else also, Suresh. Guys, in the Hibernate videos, have you not got the exact code which is there? I'll ask our team to upload. You can reuse the configuration code which I have used to avoid the conflicts. Okay, Hibernate code files too. Please use that, okay? It's available here. Use that configuration files for XML especially. Guys, if anyone have missed, this is the handwritten notes. Vaibhav have shared the link. Okay, kindly use it. You have used, what is the error you are getting, Suresh? If you could send the screenshot in the Discord, our team will see to it. Hmm. We have dedicated support team also, guys, so we'll take care of your doubts also. So you can also post in the community. You can also post in the Discord group. They will also help you with it. All right, guys. Thank you so much for this beautiful journey. Again, we will restart this journey from the 18th of October. Thank you so much for being with me today. Okay, I have one thing to tell. I studied Java 2-3 times, but this much of clear I got to your course. Thank you, special. Thank you so much, Dalip. Thank you so much for your valuable feedback. It means a lot to me. 1 week is sufficient to go through the assignments. Yes, sufficient, Daniel. Watch it in 1.5x speed. Guys, even JDBC, Hibernate, and SQL, even if you don't practice, even if you just watch the video, is also sufficient. And actually, it is you have to 1 more week of time, because before I start Spring Data JDBC, you need to complete this. So you have actually 10 days of time to complete the videos. Okay, because for Spring Core, it's not needed. For Spring Core, only Core Java is needed. Once we start Spring Data part, that time is required. So you have hardly 12 days of time to revise it. You can watch it in 1.5x speed and complete it. Okay. Keep 10 days of timeline and do it. It's not in a hurry. Even if you complete in 10 days, no problem. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being with me, with your patience, with cooperations, with support. I need same support and same cooperation and understanding till the end of the course. Meet you all on 18th of October. Thank you, every one of you. Not now, Suresh, because it is webinar. Uh, you can now send the screenshot in the Discord. Maybe upcoming class will have one meeting. During the meeting, you can share the screen. If not, I will just send you, mail it to me. One Saturday, I'll send you the link. We can connect to the doubt session at 5 p.m. on Saturdays. Not this Saturday, next Saturday. This Saturday, I'll try if possible. If not, next Saturday, okay? It is one-on-one discussion. If not, normal Java classes also.